Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up to your ShopPay account. First of all, find and open Shop application on your device. Now, click on your profile icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now, click on Sign In button. After that, you need to click on Continue button. Now, type in your email address on this field here. After typing in your email, click on Continue button. Now, you will get a confirmation code on your email address. Open your email and type in your verification code here. After that, your email will be confirmed. Now, you can skip this process or you can connect your account with Google. Now, you can verify using your phone number also, or you can simply click on back and you do not need to verify using your phone number. So that is how you can sign up in ShopPay account. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.